Well, welcome back to another one out here solo right now. I think Brian might join me in a couple hours. We'll see. Got a nice north wind today, clear, sunny, and ice. So found a nice little open spot here, and had a few birds working already. So had some guys set up literally like 60-70 yards from me. It's crazy, but you know, I don't understand that. I was here by myself for a while, and then these guys show up and just, hey, we're gonna hunt right here. It's like, okay. Got about 7 or 8 mallard decoys out and 1 mojo, and that's all I can bring on my back. And so, seen some birds working already, and we'll see if we can get anything in for some nice close shots. Smoked him. Well, y'all, was brushing up the blind a little bit and heard a quack and turned around. These guys are bombing in, so got 1 greenhead down. Been here about 2 hours and got the first bird down finally, so there it is. Those are some tough working mallards there. Oh, there he is. That's a better looking one there. There he is, guys. Beautiful greenhead. Man, I worked hard for that guy. This has been tough today to get him down, but yeah, I've got this one. Number 3, guys. Didn't make a clean shot on him, so I elected to stay on him and not look for another duck. But hey, here we go, number 3. Oh gosh. No way. No way. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. How did I miss that? 3 clean whiffs, man. I gotta say, that was the ugliest 3 whiffs of my life. Best decoying all day, best decoying bird all day, and 3 clean whiffs. Oh my gosh. I got no excuses, but I will say I was kneeling on my knee and looking this way, and I was reaching already really far at that angle, but that's not an excuse. That should have been dead on the first shot. I can't even do anything but laugh at that. That was crazy. Gosh, I hope I don't whiff like that again today. That was bad. See, that's what they were doing already. That's the hen. I think that was the hen, but whatever. I think it was 3 hens, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I didn't see a single drake. That's too hard to pass up, though.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Heel.
No bands?
Nope.
There we go.
Here.
Thanks, Louie.
It's pretty nice when you don't have to move.
That was sweet. I don't have to go break ice with my knees and go get a duck. That hen's gonna die. I can only get one. Oh gosh. Two hands, come on. Golly. That's it, no more brown.
You can't pass on those shots sometimes.
At this point of the day, no. Show me the band, show me that band.
Oh!
Dog. Alright, skinny hand. Oh, baby. There we go. Do I need to shoot that other one? Sorry about that, dude.
You're good. That's
look at the
right there, yeah.
Look at the mud on that bill, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the limit. Hey, man. Thanks, dude.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. Heck yeah. Here, hold this one real quick. Look at you, you're swimming fast. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. Those bloody miss. Oh. Yeah. Small and skinny.
Yep. Heck
yeah, dude. Shoot, your dogs retrieved the last 4 birds for me, so that's freaking sweet.
I'm kind of overseasoned. I just go for him now, honestly.
Michelle, here. Nice.
Good boy, Bubba.
Go give it to Dad.
Here. Right here, Bubba.
skinny mallard.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.